What's up, guys? This is Steve from Santec IT Solutions. This is the 9th part of my video series where I'll be installing the motherboard. All you need to get started is an anti-static wrist strap, a screwdriver, and of course your screws. I also recommend using a handy grabber tool like this, just in case you lose a screw somewhere in the case unit. This is a very handy tool to have, especially if you drop something inside the case. As you can see here how easy it is to get a screw out. You want to consult with the user manual for your motherboard to check how many screws you might actually need. This particular motherboard can have 6 screws. I already have the foothold in place, so now I only need 5. If you don't have a foothold in your case unit, then you won't need to worry about that. So I'm just going to go around the motherboard and install each screw one at a time. You don't need to tighten these screws very much. As a matter of fact, you don't want to overdo it. It could crack the board or cause some kind of damage. If you're having trouble seeing inside your case unit, I recommend getting an LED flashlight. It's come in really handy for tight spots. Another very important thing to keep in mind is to make sure that your motherboard is flush with your I/O shield. You don't want any room for play in there, otherwise stuff won't line up right. And I just have one more screw to put in here above the RAM slot. Okay, I'm all set. My motherboard's installed, and now I can go ahead and start connecting my devices. Thanks for watching my video, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.